Today we're checking out the top 5 Airbnb rentals to stay at when visiting the timelessly elegant city of London. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and comment saying I subscribed, and we will personally respond to your comments. All the links to each property will be in the description. Contemporary penthouse with views over Mayfair. With 8 guests, 4 bedrooms, 4 beds and 4.5 bathrooms. With sunset views from a full-width, top-level balcony high above Hyde Park, this penthouse goes full throttle. Espresso-toned floors, glossy black kitchen cabinets, slate-themed en suites, and dark-paneled walls take a muscular approach. Pour something strong in the formal dining room for 12, spread out on the home theater sectional, and watch for double-decker buses on Park Lane below. Stately suite with garden in Notting Hill. With 8 guests, 4 bedrooms, 4 beds and 3 bathrooms. A sophisticated reception area with a fireplace and piano to greet you at this elegant white flat near Kensington Gardens. Sip your morning coffee at the balcony bistro set with garden views, perch on a curving couch for games by the fireplace, and choose between a breakfast bar, formal dining set, and alfresco table for meals. A modern kitchen and lush hedge up the ante, and you're a mile from Hyde Park. Two Jermyn Street. With 2 bedrooms, 2 beds and 2 bathrooms. Spend an exceptional stay in London at 2 Jermyn Street. Beautifully appointed and centrally located, this 2-bedroom apartment is a haven of luxury in the heart of the city, close to museums, palaces, shopping and more. Reserve its spacious rooms for a holiday with family, a weekend away with another couple or a honeymoon-style escape with your sweetheart. A stay at 2 Jermyn Street puts you just minutes from the city's top sights. Its St. James location is a 4-minute walk from Piccadilly Circus and less than a 10-minute drive from Trafalgar Square, Buckingham Palace, Harrods, and Hyde Park. Listen to Big Ben chime the hours, marvel at the hush inside Westminster Abbey and shop for souvenirs or step out for dinner in the streets around the apartment. Or take it all in from a bird's-eye viewpoint on a ride on the nearby London Eye. Great Marlborough Street 9. With 2 bedrooms, 2 beds and 2 bathrooms. Just a mile from Piccadilly Circus, this finely furnished London apartment offers a unique experience amidst inventive decor in the UK capital's heart. With rooftop views of the London Eye, descend into a well-lit and artfully furnished home with a space-age kitchen, crafted dining table and refined sitting space. Plan shopping and dining trips to London's cosmopolitan core, just outside. Barnes Villa. 410 guests, with 5 bedrooms, 5 beds and 5.5 bathrooms. This semi-detached house in the Greater London area feels like a tranquil getaway from the busy city life, but is still within reach. It's the epitome of elegance. Herringbone flooring in the living room lays the base for luxurious gold-tone metals, dripping chandeliers, and a butterscotch color palette. Hail a cab and set off to see the sights, or enjoy a peaceful soak in the hidden hot tub. Overall, if you're looking for a place that has it all, the hustle and bustle of a city, the grandeur of centuries-old neighborhoods, the sophistication of culturally rich attractions, and the comfort of inviting picturesque homes, London is the perfect destination for your next trip. This group of rentals serve as the best places to stay in the whole country at the time of this video, so don't miss out. Pack your bags, and get ready for the stay of a lifetime. Want to see more top best rentals in the UK and around the world? Just click subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss new videos being posted showing you the best rentals you can visit when you need to take that break you've been waiting for.